What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited because we have some really cute slimes in stock in the shop today, so I am really excited to show you all of that. We are restocking today, which is Saturday, December the 1st. I know we usually restock on Fridays, however, we're just still shook from Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so we just had to postpone it a day, but we are ready for you to snatch our wigs off. So right now, you are watching Chanel number 2. She is obviously my queen, the head of the big three. She is great. She's a very thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime, and she's amazing. Next up from the big three, we have Baja Blast. I love this one so much. If Chanel is the queen, then Baja Blast is the king for sure, because this one sells out almost as fast as Chanel, if not sometimes before Chanel. It's kind of crazy, but I really love this one. This one is a very nice and unique type of texture in the sense that it is like a hybrid of two different slimes. So it's like an icy slime and a cloud slime or a cloud dough. So you get some baby drizzles with it. You get to make it look like an icy and just get that really sizzly texture. And I love it. It is scented just like a Baja Blast that you would get from Taco Bell or at the grocery store if you drink Mountain Dew Baja Blast. So just think of like a blue raspberry, lemon, lime, tropical soda mix. It's a hand mixed scent that we mix ourselves, but it's so good. It smells just like it and I love it. And third from the big three, we have this big boy right here. This is Mud Mask, and I am showing you a 32 ounce of it because I am going to have a couple of 32 ounces of this baby right here in the shop this week, or today, I guess. So yeah, this is Mud Mask. This is my third best seller. It is a hybrid slime as well. So it is a butter slime and a cloud cream kind of mixed together. So you get that really nice bubbles and sizzles out of it, but you can still spread it, and it's very thick, almost kind of looks like a cookie dough or a bread dough even, and I just really love it. It's scented like green tea lemon, and it is definitely a fan favorite, and I love it as well. This next one here is Unicorn Crunch Cake, and it is definitely one of my favorites from this restock, but be prepared because you're going to hear that a lot. I love a lot of the slimes. Well, obviously I love all of them, but I like really love a lot of them from this restock. So this one, like I said, Unicorn Crunch Cake, this is a full floam. So there is a bunch of white floam beads, but also like different unicorn colors like pastel blues, greens, pinks, blues, all that kinds of stuff. And then also it is topped off with some unicorn glitter and also some regular like heart and star shaped glitters. I love this slime a lot because it's super crunchy. I don't get to do full floams very often, so you should definitely snatch if you are somebody who loves to get a really crunchy slime. And if you like bubble pops, this is definitely for you. This is scented like unicorn Pop Tarts, which yes, it is actually a real scent, and I was so shook when I found it. I had to get a big bottle of it, and I'm so glad I did because it smells so good. Next up, we have Dragon Fruit Haiku. Yes, that is an actual Haiku flavor, but I believe it's only in Japan. I love this slime a lot because I am actually debuting this new slime texture. So this here is what I'm going to be calling my Haiku slimes from now on. So if you see me referencing Haiku slime, I'm just referring to this texture here. Basically, it is a clear slay slime. So it's a clear slime with a secret ingredient plus some clay in it. And I can't even tell you like how amazing this texture is. It's gummy yet creamy at the same time, super stretchy yet clear base, so it's very thick. You get that nice bubble pop from it. I just really love this so much. This one here is scented like dragon fruit, obviously, because it is a dragon fruit haiku, and I really like it. I love it. It's so good. You should definitely try out my new texture, and I hope that you all like it. I am also pretty surprised at how obsessed I am with this slime here. This is cotton candy bubble tape, so it is a bubblegum slime, I guess you would say. It is scented like cotton candy bubblegum, and it's just a regular thick and glossy base, but it's super stretchy, and I really love that. And I just love like ribboning the slime. Is that even a word? Like making ribbons out of the slime, like letting it drip over itself, because it keeps its shape pretty nicely, yet it's super stretchy at the same time. It's magic, and I love it so much. I want to do more bubble tape slime, so if you have any like ideas of any like bubblegum scents that you all want, or bubblegum slimes, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. But this is definitely a snatch for today's restock for sure. This one is another one of my favorite slimes. This here is Bonfire, and it's just so cozy to me. Like, you know, have you ever had a slime that makes you feel cozy? This one does. It's just so good. It's a cloud cream, and it's scented like cranberry orange, and it has like a little bit of cinnamon scent in there as well, I believe, from the cranberry. So, you know, if you don't like cinnamon, then this probably isn't the one for you, but it's like a warm yet sweet scent. It's so good. The scent totally makes this slime, and the texture is amazing because it is one of my classic cloud creams. And the red foam beads are just to kind of represent the cranberries. They do not fall out. One of them fell out only because I just sprinkled them on top, but once it's like mixed in, it won't fall out, I promise you. I just really like this slime. You should snatch. This little cutie right here is Cookie Milk. You might remember it, but we are renaming it just for the month of December in honor for Christmas. It is Santa's Cookie Milk. So it's a little bit different in the sense that it's going to actually come with a cookie charm. I know, it's groundbreaking, right? Anyways, this is a really nice slime. It's scented like mixed cookies. I believe we mixed chocolate chip cookies, sugar cookies, and almond cookies in here, and it smells so good, just like a fresh baked cookie sale or something like that. It's just amazing, and it features my nice thick and glossy texture, and it's just really nice. I love it. Next up, we have Reindeer Treats. This one here is a thick and glossy base slime with a bunch of foam beads at the top. There are some large brown foam beads and then some smaller rainbow foam beads and red and green foam beads as well, just to kind of make it a little Christmassy. I love this slime. It's scented like almond cookies, chocolate candy, and gingerbread. It smells really good. You should definitely try to snatch this, especially because there's not that much of it. I actually only made a gallon of this, but this is definitely a snatch for today as well, for sure. You thought I was done, right? Nope, we have another sister snatch for today's restock. This one here is Vicks Vapo Rub. Oh my gosh, if you are somebody who loves Vicks and believes in its like healing powers, then you should definitely snatch this slime. I know it looks like it's a white glue based slime, but it's actually only clear glue, and I love that for this slime. It has such a unique texture and it smells just like Vicks. It is not as strong though. I promise I did not put actual Vicks in it. It's not as strong as actual Vicks, just because I didn't want people to be overwhelmed, because I know some people, like me personally, I love the smell of Vicks, but I don't like it too close to my face. I don't like it like too strong, I guess. So this is going to be the one for you if you are somebody who definitely believes that Vicks can heal everything. And the next slime you have definitely seen before because it has been in the shop before. This one here is Pineapple Upside Down Cloud. So it is a cloud slime and it's scented like one of my favorite cakes ever. One of my favorite scents ever as well. Pineapple Upside Down Cake. If you've never smelt this scent before, you definitely need to, just for the scent, honestly. But this is a cloud slime. It's really nice. The only thing that I changed was the color. I made it a brighter yellow and that's about it. It's the same classic cloud slime that I've had before. Santa Sodapop is another really cool slime, but it is another limited slime. I only made a gallon of this as well, but I do have more of the scent, so if y'all want me to bring this back, I definitely can. This one is Santa Sodapop scented. I know that's crazy, right? It's kind of like a mixture, I would say. I didn't mix this scent. This is actually a scent that I bought. It's a real scent, Santa Sodapop. It smells like candy cane and lemon lime soda, which, you know, I'm hearing that out loud and it kind of sounds weird, but trust me, it's a really good scent and it actually smells really, really good. So it's a thick and glossy base slime with a couple of beads to represent the little soda bubbles, and I just really like it. If you like someone with thick and glossy textures, but you like a little bit of foam beads added in just to give it that extra oomph, and then this is going to be for you. And lastly, we have my favorite slime, possibly from the restock, possibly from any restock. This is probably my favorite like ever right now. This is Unicorn Shower Jelly. I just love it so much. Obviously, it's a jelly slime, but it's a new and improved recipe for my jelly slime. They're a lot thicker now and less jiggly, and I love that so much. This is scented like Rockstar and Avo Bath from Lush. So if you like Lush shower jellies, then this is definitely going to be the slime for you. That glitter mix at the top, bruh, I'm telling you, is just so freaking pretty. They're like starlight glitters and then also unicorn glitters at the top, and each one is going to come with a random unicorn horn charm. It's just so cute. Like, what is there not to love about this slime? It's amazing. Alrighty, well that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to sister snatch. In the comment section down below, let me know if you want any of these to return, if I should bring any of them back. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!